Hi there. In our last video, you learned how to present the data. In this video, you are going to learn how to do the graphical representation of data. So let's begin. Graphical representation of data. There are three different types of data representation, and the first type is basically known as bar graphs, and bar graphs are defined as bar graph is the graphical representation or display of data using bars of different heights. It can be both vertical and horizontal. In other words, we can say that if we have the information given and we want to represent that information graphically, we can use the bar graphs, and the bar graphs can be vertical as well as horizontal. The next way to represent the data is histogram, and histogram is defined as histogram is the graphical representation of data using the bars of different heights. It is used to represent the continuous data. So basically, when we use the histogram, there is no gap between two given intervals because histograms are basically the representation of continuous data. Now the next way of data representation is known as frequency polygons, and frequency polygons are defined as frequency polygons are a special type of histogram used to show the frequencies. It is graphed by joining the middle top points of the columns of frequency histogram. So basically, at first what we need to do, we need to graph our data using the histograms, and then we will connect the midpoints of the top of the columns of each frequency histogram, and then when we connect that, we will get the frequency polygon.